G'day everyone, it's Chriso. What I'm doing here is I started this bathroom yesterday. I waterproofed it. I'll be giving it another coat in the shower. I did 2 coats, but I always like to do a third one in the shower and then lay my mud. But first of all, I set up my water stop. This is my water stop, this aluminium. It stops any water coming out onto the rest of the floor. And what I do is I have the tiles slightly above that aluminium, and then it just looks like a grout line. So I have worked it out that it's full tiles off here, and I have 100mm cut against the wall there. So, and they wanted the shower about the same width because they're having a 1200 screen out to here. That line there, see that line? That's where the screen comes to, just a sheet of glass. And they walk in around it here and walk into the shower. What happens here, so this aluminium is 30mm angle. I've been able to get 30mm, which is good. It reduces the amount of mud I've got to get. With this shower, with this waste, smart waste, it gives me a good fall. See that fall? Now that's bloody beautiful. And when I'm slightly above that aluminium, that'll give me a little bit more even, which is heaps of fall. That's cool. But I'm able to give it heaps with such small tiles. What else? I'll be sticking this down now. I'll come back to you when I'm about to. I just want to check something where I end up at my waist. Okay, we'll see you soon. Bye.